no idea how bad this Mercedes is. This. So he's a construction lawyer. No wonder all these guys are flapping now. So we're in the centre of Manchester, underground car park on Harlem Street, okay? Now, I should have recorded the guy, security. No, they're only doing the job, but they were like, nah mate, there's no room for you, go away basically. And they're like, yeah, I'm booked in with Q Construction, I'm here to detail the car. And they were like, no, basically f off. And I'm like, oh, cheers guys. Called the guy Nathan, who's a building manager, and he went, yeah, they can be harsh sometimes, let me speak to him. Then they let me through, and I had a queue behind me of about 4 frigging vans and a load of cyclists trying to get in here. But I'm finally here, all right, waiting for the car. Apparently the car's supposed to be here, the car's not here. Nathan says he'll call the owner and he'll call me back in a minute, as in Nathan, the construction owner. Problem with this Mercedes is that we do some work in it, and some sort of concrete screed, whatever they call it, has dripped, yeah, and fell on the car. He takes it to a car wash, washed it off, but then there's still some speckles and stuff that I've advised them, look, if there's nothing I can do, there's nothing I can do, but I'll obviously do my best. Can you send me an email to say, look, I'll attempt to do it, but if I can't remove it or solve the problem, it's not necessarily our fault, we'll give it a go. But that's the difference between, you know, maybe a few £100 with us to pay to close to £1,000+ at a body shop if it needs that work. But again, I've only seen a few pictures, so I have no idea how bad this Mercedes is. This Mercedes could be absolutely horrendous. Charlie should be at the unit now, prepping the Golf R for its wash and decon. He just walked past then and took a picture of his f***ing reg. What's going on?
Let me ring, I'll call you back in 2 seconds.
All right, no worries, Dave. Cheers, mate.
Taylor.
I am, mate, yeah.
Oh, good. Projects manager just said he's not coming in while 9:30, this guy.
Yeah.
Has he spoke with you?
So Cubic Works is trying to get a space for me. That's the space I'm supposed to have. Let me just show you there. Yeah, over there, that hashed area. But I'm not allowed to go there because, you know, they're doing some electrical work. Right, now my royalty now, mate. I've gone from being a scumbag, off, get out of my car park, to the head of security, Paul, has gone, no, you're my main man. I'm like, woohoo! I'm the main man! Check this out! Woo! Loads of space. So he's a construction lawyer. No wonder all these guys are flapping now. He's a construction lawyer. Yeah. I'm surprised he didn't buy him a new car. Funny thing is as well, I've just realised, we've both got each other's names wrong. He thinks I'm called Jason, I think he's called Nathan. He's actually called Nick, and I'm obviously called James. Fucking communications nuts around here. I wonder how Charlie's getting on the unit. Back to the unit.
Give us a wave, Charlie.
Hello.
Hi.
You okay?
Sorry, yeah.
I don't have to apologise for. I don't know why he's that bothered about the mark on the bonnet, right? Because if you look at the mark at the bonnet, all that there, right? But then he's more bothered about that than he is this. Right. Not bothered about that because obviously someone's done that, but he's more bothered about getting that sorted. Very confusing on this. Never had this before. I'm spending more time valeting the interior than I will on the exterior, because this is, yeah. Just noticed on the wall there's a plug socket. Now I've got my generator there, but it's going to be very, very noisy, obviously. So I just want to get my polisher, just plug it in and see if we have power. Right. We have power, so looks like we're going to be plugging in there then. Ellie, can you speed this bit up, mate?
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm the building manager. I just come to see how you're getting on, really.
Right, see where we're at. Oh, mate, happy days. Yeah, well now Charlie's getting on. Just want to quickly say, if you said to me, describe to me what a lawyer looks like, Mike, the construction lawyer, that's who I'd describe, right? Hopefully he doesn't watch this. What does a car detail look like? This is where I am so far. There's the before, here's during.
Beautiful.
L-O-U-V-I-O-U-L-E-E-R-E.
You could.
Lover Ali. Love Ali. That's interior.
Look, baby, I'm way too to be worried about what I say about me.
I'm going to quickly say as well, he said we were like the 10th person that he called. So I said, oh, is that because we didn't rank up on Google or whatever? He said, no, it wasn't that. You actually ranked really high on Google. He asked loads of people who he knew if they knew somebody first, okay? But all of them were saying, no, we don't do polishing. He said, look, I'll pay whatever. He's like, I'll pay whatever, just please come down. And they were all like, no, 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 we don't do machine polishing. We don't touch stuff like that. And I'm like, well, did they look at the photos? I said, yeah, I sent them all the same photos. And I'm like, that's not that hard to do because I've just done it. If you're relative detail and all you do is washing, deep clean and valet cars, you need to up your skill level. Anyway. Oh, Elliot, I found your car and van hire business, mate. See that? Elliot's car and van hire business. There you are, mate. Elliot's little side gig. Right, that's us now, or should I say me, back at the unit, see what Charlie's been up to. Oh, lovely. Hello, mate.
Hey, up.
How you been cracking on with that horrendous polisher?
Right,
Tell you what, mate, I'll sort you out, don't you worry. You can put that down. Put that down, the proper gear's arrived, mate. Here we go. We need to get them cordless ones, don't we?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Hopefully the YouTube game ends up going a lot stronger, because then I can start buying, you know, cordless machines. So they're getting cable anxiety every day. And did you say you two-staged the bonnet as well?
Yeah.
Why did you two-stage the bonnet?
Because it was really swirly and the clay bar had to be a bit more aggressive on it because it was heavily contaminated.
Has he paid for that though, Charlie?
He has not.
We always try and go the extra 10% done with every job. So if us doing a two-stage in the bonnet, that's our equivalent of the extra 10%. Even though we are replacing the badges that he's got on the back, well, the badge that he's got on the back, we're replacing this Golf with the one he's provided us for free, and we're removing these reg plates and putting them on for free. And you can also notice where the exhaust caps are. We've then got the replacement cover, fits for them. So basically, he's paid $550 and he's got, what? More than 10% for free. That's all we will say, right? He got me on a good day, clearly. Look at that. All right, magic. Clipped it on to the whiteboard. Right, I'm gonna stop chatting shit and do some work. So, Charlie's used the heat gun, firstly, to remove and heat the adhesive behind. Use a bit of fishing line to get behind there and plug it off. Now he's gonna use some GTR to loosen that off, peel that off as best you can, or use a toffee wheel, which is something like this. You can put it in the combi drill and then slowly agitate it, and he's going to polish it afterwards, so don't panic. So that's how you can quickly and easily remove sort of emblems, badges, whatever it is, off cars. If you are struggling, you want to know how to do that, we can do a how-to video on that. Just let us know in the comments saying how to debadge, and we'll do that video for you. So far, Charlie's winning.
Winning.
We've also got to take these wedges off. We'll put the new ones on.
Exhaust tips.
Well, covers, innit?
Covers,
Exhaust covers, like I mentioned before. So what Charlie's done is removed obviously the old badging, and then he's also taped up and marked the lettering as you go down, so it's all spaced correctly. So there's his template. He's taken off the car, removed the adhesive, put the template back on, and then obviously with the new badging, he will then, as he's doing now, level it up, making sure it's perfect and level. Me, on the other hand, I'm going to continue and finish the machine polishing, which means then we will panel prep. I don't think we'll need to wash the car because there's very little compound, because we tend to use compound that is low dust, which means, you know, very less sort of the compound flinging around everywhere, less dusty, right? So panel wipe, prep, and then coating, interior. He's collecting tomorrow afternoon, so I'm going to be here, or we're going to be here until the job's done today. And then, yeah, on to another busy day tomorrow, which you will see, guys, hopefully, on the channel. So Charlie is prepping for coating, and I am also fingering this grill. Where are you? Where's the camera? Ah, there you are. As you can see, I am double power fingering the grill. Because as you can see here, don't know if you can actually see it on camera, the way the grill is designed, it basically likes to accumulate dirt and grime in and around all the slats at the front end of the grill. So now that's why, even we've pulled it out, we've pulled the car out, we've sort of washed it down, and it's still got dirt and grime in. Hence why now I've deployed the best tools available to us at Vulpix Detailing, which are my fingers. It's now day 2, the car is fully cured with the coating, everything's been done and polished, and I've not done this all the work. Charlie's done it all, the man over there, because obviously All last morning I was away in Manchester pretty much, and then all I did was tickle and help sort of Charlie along the way. Are you happy with the way Charlie's gone? I'm happy, he's happy, I hope you're happy. Thanks for watching. And Elliot, if you don't mind, for my favourite bit, as always, it's the
aftershots.
You cheeky mother.
Wake up and lace up my sneakers, I'm always dressed to kill. Each time I speak, I'm at peak to bring me some extra ears. Feel it in my soul, in my sleep, I breathe till the winds get sealed. Don't go while the rest sit still, beast mode on a run all year. Work till the funds all here, can't stop till the path all clear. Slim run a sweatshop and a pet shop, cause the dogs all here. Even in the dark I appear, shine through the fall for a little. This a headlight to a deal, they freeze, none of y'all out here.